Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And that makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive movement. When you stop and think about the fact that opening up on the day, the price was all the way down there, and then by the closing bell, the price closed all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, today's price movement was very, very solid. But that does lead to the valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make it mapping out and answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $13.75. Why is $13.75 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $13.75. If the price were to come down to this area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say, again, yeah, sure, the price does come down here. However, in this situation, price behaves like that and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 1375. What about levels of resistance going forward? Next key battleground, going to be up here at the $15 mark. And that is just from, coming from the fact that the price was up there a couple days ago, right up around, when was that? Back there last week on Friday. So keep a close eye on that, and that'll be the next key battleground. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very impressive movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.